Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. As you can see on the floor behind me, I got a pallet, and in that box is a pallet buster. And today we're going to make something that the wife found on Pinterest. So there you go. If you like, subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, share it with your friends, and stick around and let's get started. Alright everybody, it's Memorial Day. I was hoping to get this video out today. Hopefully I can get it out this evening. We had to do some yard work today, and so I'm already a little hot and sweaty, so we're just going to keep going with this project here. We got our pieces that we cut from the runners from the pallet. Got a 2x6, got my miter saw here, and let me show you what we're going to make. It's not going to be this thin as this one, but we need to make 2 stars, and then there's still another feature I'm going to show you later. But we need to get an 18-degree cut here and a 54-degree cut here. Now, on your miter saw, you can't do 18-degree cuts. So there's a jig that you can do, real simple jig. Get a 2x6. I prefer a 2x6 over 2x4. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your saw 45 degrees, okay? And you're going to lock this board down on your chop saw, your miter saw, whatever you want to call it. Make sure it's good and tight. All right, that's not going anywhere. And we're going to make that 45-degree cut. Now, after you make that 45-degree cut, do not move this board. And let me show you. So you got your 45-degree cut, you got it held down. You want to gently, without moving your board, bring it back to 0. Okay. Now you have your blade to the fence is 90 degrees. So now my blade to here is 45 degrees. So if we want to do an 18-degree cut, we just need to get to 18 from 45, because this is now a 45. So if we go to 15 degrees, that's 30. If we go to 30 degrees, that's 15. So you want to come back. 16, 17, 18. So now you have an 18-degree cut from your blade to your jig. Now, if you're not comfortable with doing this, you're not comfortable with doing the miter saw, don't do this jig, don't do this cut. I'm an experienced woodworker. I don't have a problem doing this, but only do this if you are safe and confident that you can do it. So I'm just going to lock this in so it doesn't move. So the next thing you want to do then is make sure your boards are all oriented the way you want them. I just push my stock in all the way till it hits my fence, but it might be a little bit different for you. So now we're going to cut all of these. Now I only need 20 of these because I need 2 stars. I need 2 stars. So I need 20 of these, but I've got extra boards here. All right, now that we got our 18-degree cut, we need to do our 54-degree cut. So we are done with this jig. We don't need it anymore. Let's set this back to 0. All right, so now we need to do this 54-degree cut right here. For that, and it needs to be the same angle as the other piece. Use our fancy Waco poly here. Now the thing to remember about your stop blocks, as long as you don't go banging your wood into it, it's not going to move. You lightly push into it, see? No problem.